Welcome and welcome back. I'm BK, and in this episode of My Cartoon Life, we are driving back from Winnemucca. We took a trip up there to drop all of our stuff in a storage unit. Our friends are starting a homestead channel. I'm going to be helping them develop the land as well as living there. I'll talk more about what I'm doing in the future. If you could check them out in the link in the description, it would mean a lot to me, but go check out their channel and hit the subscribe button. I know it's like anticlimactic not seeing the property and stuff, but I'm just thoroughly disappointed that we're not going to be able to DoorDash out there. It's, I don't know, it's just like it's part of the plan that I had, and now that it's not, we have to figure some different things out. No, there was another city out there too, Lovelace, so we could try that at some point. Or we could go up to Reno and spend a couple days in Reno and then come back. Our cost of living is going to go down quite a bit, but I just need to figure it out. I could also, you know, finish one of my games and put them up for sale, but that's not going to happen. The mountain pass through Austin was really fun and like worth the drive. I feel like we really got to shake down Dee Dee, putting 1,000 miles on it, and you know, it's a good stress test for us being as drivers, going 14 hours, like, you know, 7 hours up, and then we're about to go 7 hours back. Obviously I'll probably stretch and get some food at some point. Things I'm concerned about. I think I'm already homesick of Vegas. Like, I like Vegas, so it's hard. I'm not super amped about the cold and other things like that. But all things considered, I mean, the drive was really beautiful. Yo, Downtown Battle Mountain, go listen to that album. When we get back, we're gonna start trying to build a wiring harness for the Speeduino, but I think we're gonna hook it up to the Yaris. I think we're gonna hook it up to Dee Dee. And yeah, I just think it makes the most sense. You know, the MR2 is a long project. I don't know. I have people interested in buying it. Maybe we should just sell it to them. Interesting, because after the car show, I feel so, I guess, torn, because the things went so well, but at the same time, it's just like, I don't really have the resources and the space and the time to do anything that I really want to. Definitely want to look into how we can get disc brakes. Like, here we're coming in a little fast, but the cool thing about the car being light and we're on the uphill is we can just kind of lift. Because, you know, the more inputs you're giving the car, the less each one matters. It's okay. It was good. We had to do this, you know? Like, we had to get out there. We had to test the car. We had to see how much it could carry. You know, we had to shake it down. We had to ride the mountain. No, I mean, we had to know. We had to know if we could dash in Winnemucca. It looks like it's not going to happen. So I do have some crazy ideas. I've been thinking about one of the things that... No. In the next episode, we'll talk about what's going on with this car. And I think that since we can't dash in Winnemucca, it's actually going to be... Well, let's just say we're going to take the show on the road. I'd actually go pretty fast. just increases in speed on the downhill. Especially when we had all of the stuff in the pack, it just wanted to go. Is giving me so many ideas. I want to be able to show how much pressure, brake pressure and acceleration pressure I'm doing. I want to show how much, what gear I'm in. I want to be able to know that stuff and then feed it into the screen, like on screen. Maybe even be able to report it in real time. I would say this is probably the end of it. Like we end right here. You would maybe like flip a U-turn through the gravel and then go back. Bought a bunch of food. I'm gonna say it. The burger earlier was a 3 out of 10. This gas station chicken nugget, 6.5 out of 10. So we had to get grandma her favorite chocolate, and it's just hilarious because even the horse thinks our car sucks. It literally like took a dump right next to us. This is so funny. Oh, here we've made it to I think Carver's is what this place is called. We're on our way back. It's supposed to have pretty good sandwiches, but I don't think we're gonna try them. We're just gonna get some water and stretch. It's almost 11, so that was 14-hour drive. Up 7 there, 7 back.